and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. And I'm back to talk about online exclusives with 4 different ways to share the online exclusive offering with your in-person customers. So the first way we can do this is to take with us an iPhone or a tablet and show them on our phone or show them on theirs. That can work. Personally, for me, Wi-Fi can be a bit patchy, and I find having a phone between us as something that breaks that personal connection that we get at online events. So for me, that's not the way I want to go. The second thing we can do is we can buy some of the gorgeous sweets and bundles and stamps and accessories, and we can make projects. And that is one of the best ways to share. Absolutely, get our customers hands-on with those products. As we know at in-person events, that is just the way to go. However, can we buy every single online exclusive that's now available? Not unless we're very rich. So how do we share the other items that are there with our in-person customers? So my third suggestion, I think you might have seen this coming, is to use some printables which have got all the information on there. Now, I've been doing this since, are we 2 years, more even, for all the online exclusives. And this is how I share them in my classes. I just put them into file folder pockets to keep them in good condition, and they've got all the information there. So what I include in this is all in English, all English language codes. So they're all in English language. There is the description. There are pictures of the products and some samples. And importantly, you can print the version that you need in your local currency. So we've got UK pounds, we've got US dollars, we've got Canadian dollars, we've got Australian and New Zealand dollars, and for my Dutch and Irish friends, we've also got euros. I show the sweets over 2 pages, or in the case of this mega suite, over 3. I show bundles all together on 1 page, so it breaks it down if somebody just wants the stamps or just wants the dies, but you've also got all the bundle information. And for everything that is just a standalone item like a stamp set or accessories, I put 3 or 4 of them on each page. So altogether, that's 12 sheets of printables for you. I haven't put the price up. I'm doing it exactly the same. So it's £6.50 UK. So that's about, I think it was about $8 US last time, somewhere in that region. I've got a bonus way. So I did say 4 ways to share. So I've got a bonus way to share, and you get this with your printable. I've done samples, as you can see here, of changing leaves to get us started. So I went with a very kind of summery springtime colourway for this, because I think the obvious is to go autumn, but right now it feels like a long way away from the autumn in the Northern Hemisphere. So I've done a bit of both. So I've done a sampler here, and this shows everything. So it shows embossed and debossed, it shows all the stamps, it shows all the dies. And tip, if you didn't know this, on the outside of the packaging of the dies, it says 10 dies. There aren't. There are 8 dies plus 1 hybrid embossing folder. So just in case you think you've lost one and are searching around your craft room, no, that it was wrong. It's correct online, but it's incorrect on the packaging. So just so you know, you haven't lost one. But anyway, these samplers, what I thought I would do, if you have got these goodies in your craft room, then please feel free to case me and use and make your own. No need for credit, just make your own up and use my designs. That's absolutely fine. Or if you don't have these goodies and you want to be able to share them with your customer, I'm going to give them to you as something that you can print out. And it's got no logos on it. So you can take that into your craft room, into your teaching room and show your customers. Put them in newsletters if you would like. I'll do them as JPEGs so that they're easy to put into a newsletter as well. So it's another way of sharing some of those things without having to actually own them all. At the moment, I've only done these, but I have got some more of the online exclusives in my craft room. So as I create with those, I will add them onto the file that you'll get, and I will remind everybody on my newsletter list, yay, new things. So yeah, feel free to go and grab those as I create with them. So if you'd like to receive these printables, most of you know what to do, but if you don't, down below is a link. If you're watching on YouTube, I'll put it in the description, and I'll put it also on the first line of comments of where to go and find our Ready Set Demo website, or you can Google Ready Set Demo, and that's where you can purchase these and see a little bit more. The cost of them, as I said, is £6.50. You pay securely by PayPal, and then I will personally ping those into your inbox. If you're ordering in the Antipodes, then wait for me to wake up. But the second I see your payment, I will ping those over to you so you can start using them this week in your classes. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room today. I'll be back in another couple of weeks with some more project ideas and a little how-to video for a fancy fold. So I look forward to seeing you then. And finally to say, if you're not already on my newsletter list, there's a link below to join. And please do like and follow my YouTube. It really, really helps. Thanks for visiting today. Bye.